So you want to make a homemade squishy, but you just don't have Puffy paint to design your creation. Don't worry, because in this video, I will show you how to produce your own DIY squishy paint that will cost you 100 times less than original Puffy paints. For this project, you will need a cup or any container for mixing, stirrers for mixing, containers to store our finished product, and our main ingredients, we have white glue and shaving foam. To start, get your mixing cup and pour in white glue. Then, grab your shaving foam and put it in this cup. The white glue and shaving foam should have a 50-50 ratio. So if you poured in 1 full cup of white glue, then you should also mix it with 1 full cup of shaving foam. After that, start mixing these ingredients thoroughly until you get a nice consistency. Now if you're going to make 2 or more colors of Puffy paint, then you should make a lot of this mixture, so you'll just distribute them in smaller containers. This way you'd save more time and you'll also get the same consistency of the Puffy paint. So for this Puffy paint, I'm coloring it with neon pink, while for this one, I'm coloring it violet. You can use any coloring materials you want, such as food coloring. And it's also just up to you how much of it will you pour into your mixture. The important thing is that you'd get the right shade you want. Once you mix everything together, you'd have a light, thick, and nice consistency like this.
This cut is fresh.
Of all the videos I've made, this is certainly the most satisfying and relaxing one for me. I really enjoy it, so if you're going to do this, I hope you'd have fun as much as I do. I'm gonna test this color to one of my homemade squishies made out of foam. If you want to know how it turned out, was it squishy, was it slow rising, or whatnot, you can visit my channel and look for the homemade squishies I made using this DIY Puffy paint. The links for those videos will also be in the description box below, so go check those out if you're interested. If you're done mixing the ingredients, you can now pour the mixtures into the container. For this pink one, I'll just leave it to this container, and for the violet, I'm storing it to an empty glue bottle. A funnel would be very helpful in this case. But in this video, I'm just using a spoon because I'm too lazy to go hunt for a funnel. So if you want a much cleaner and much easier job, you should definitely use a funnel. And that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've already subscribed and hit the notification bell to be updated for my future uploads. And before we end this video, I'd like to give a massive shout out to Mr. Gamer, TSO Prodigy, Ariana Kendra, Clockquest, and Nicole and Germany for your awesome comments in my previous video. Again, thank you so much everyone, and as always, stay creative.